Hey guys, Robbie Robster here from DIY Auto. Today we'll be going back onto the Mini. We've got a number of parts that we want to test fit. Things like the bumper bar, the tail lights, the inner wheel liner, and see how everything lines up. So we've got a little bit to do today. Also, sorry that it's taken so long to record this episode. I had work commitments and I had to work away for 3 months, so it has been a while since I had to start the next episode. But anyway, I've got a lot of the parts. I've just found a couple of other issues in the meantime. And so, anywho, let's get jumping to it. Let's get started and let's go. What are you looking at? Huh? We'll be chucking on all the parts that we've got from my supplier from Victoria. So thank you, Brandon, if you're watching this. So we've got the replacement bumper, which obviously is different color, and but it's in good nick. There's a few scratches here and there, but you know what? Gives me practice to clean that up and get it the same color. Also, we chuck on the bumper support. What else do we have? Oh, of course, we've got the replacement light, so we can chuck that in. Also got the wheel liner, which is that one there. And let's see how we go. Let's get to it. You like watching it?
Yeah.
What do you find exciting about it?
So I want to see how you do things with a car.
Papa's learning.
Papa, you're making a video.
Yes, I am.
Is this when the music comes on?
Hmm?
Is this when the music comes on?
I don't have music.
No, like when you edit it with music.
Yes.
Papa, why do you have a drink in here?
Hmm?
Why do you have a drink in
Why do I have a drink?
here? Is this old?
Hmm?
Is this old?
Yeah.
Do you want me to?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want me to? Just put it in the floor. Mommy been moving your tools.
Has she? What's she doing?
I've been using this vacuum.
Has she?
Yeah, and it doesn't matter.
Do you think I should let her? Right. That's okay. I like to share.
You don't want to share. It is good to share. You don't want to share your tools.
It feels like to share.
This is not for mommy. This is really for girls.
Hmm?
Really for bad people.
Yeah.
What's this guy doing? What's this guy doing?
What?
You farting?
I'm not fighting.
Put my butt on your face.
I'm gonna put that on YouTube.
What?
You doing that and saying that. Alright guys, that is looking better than I thought. So biggest thing I need to do is pull this down. There's a little bit of room of like lifting this up, but I can automatically tell that this needs a bit of work. I would need to buy a stud welder to bring that down, because I tried to bang that as much as I could, but unfortunately I can't get that nice straight line there. So all this is obviously going to get some more body work. The light looks great. If anything, I can push it up just a further here, but the bumper is sitting pretty nicely. I've got some other stuff I need to put on there, but there's no point putting it on there now. Or maybe I should just show you if I can find where they are. This is my catalogue of stuff. Yeah. Maybe over here. No. Maybe over here. Anyway, it's somewhere. So I also need a few more parts. I'll need to get a new one of those. I thought I had one, but so I've got one on the other side, but not one for this side. Also need a second rubber seal for the other side of that muffler. There's one on that side that I just found out it's broken, and on same on this side. There's this another rubber mount there for the muffler. But apart from that, guys, she is looking pretty good. Sensors are hanging loose. The exhaust tips are slightly bent that way, so I might spend a bit of time later on to fix that up. Replacement light is on other bumper up there. That one is the broken one. And yeah, guys, there's some body work here that needs to be done. Let's get a bit of angle, you probably can see that. But I'm pretty confident that this bit of dentless paintless dent repair will fix that. That there as well. But anyway, this side looks great. And unfortunately, I might have to call this a wrap on this episode, purely because I can't do anything without trying to knock that down. And then I can start preparing the paint. Alright guys, that is it for this episode. Stay tuned. I know that it is taking a bit of time to complete this job, which you're probably thinking it should be an easy one, but with someone with no experience like I do, I've got to take my time. Don't forget, guys, to also subscribe, like, share, comment as well, because I'm still looking for some professional input of how well I'm doing, and if you can know anything that I've done wrong, maybe put some gloves on or something, that would be fantastic. Anywho, guys, that is it for me, Robbie Robster. Ciao for now. Bye.